everybody, it's Marina again for a new craft for this week. I hope you're ready. As you know, we are reading The Very Hungry Caterpillar in class this week because it's related to spring and to growth and to nature. So today we are going to learn how to make our own paper moving caterpillar. Yes, are you ready? Okay, stay with me. So we're going to need very basic things, a piece of paper, a piece of construction paper if you have, some colors, something round to make the circles, scissors, glue, a pencil, and if you have, spit pens. Okay, encuadernadores, we call them in Spanish. If you don't have these, you can just use glue, okay, to put all the circles together. It's fine. Okay, so first, we use something round. In this case, I'm using my bottle. We are going to need 6 circles. So take your time, make them round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round. No, that's a different story. Remember that the caterpillar, it's a lot. So it's very round and round too. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 circles. So to make them harder, steadier, we are going to glue this together. Glue. I'm not the best gluer in the world, but so we put piece of paper. So if you want to leave this overnight under a heavy book, that usually helps to glue things together. Scissors. And I'll be back in a second with all of these